welcome back to Life and Lily's Road. Today we are going to be putting my makeup in the slime, so let's get started. So first we're going to put this lipstick in. It's a very shimmery lipstick. So we're going to put it in. And then we're going to do this lipstick. It's just a basic color. And then we're going to put a little bit of this eyeliner. And it's a golden shimmery color. And then we're going to put a little bit of this blue nail polish. Well, that kind of broke. Now we're going to use this other lipstick, and it's a pink shimmery color. And then we have this blush. And it's another shimmery color. And then we have this other one. And it's like a peachy color. We have the strawberry flavored lip gloss. And then we have this perfume. We have a cherry flavored lipstick. And we twist it all up. Go. And then we have this hair chalk. I can't get it out. I only got a little bit out. And then we have this lipstick. It's a really glossy one. I only got a little bit out of that one too. And then we have this actual hair chalk. And it's green. We have some of this body shimmer. And then we have this watermelon flavored lip balm. got the makeup in here. We have, and then in here we have this like shimmery lip gloss. And then we're gonna put in this dark blue color. And then we're putting in some of the pink, light purple, another light purple. And then we're gonna put some of this white shimmer in. And then the pink shimmer. And then we have a little bit left from this blush. And that's it for my video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. Bye!